what I did is I removed the skin from the side of the face of the cat, basically. All along here. And when you do that, what you're gonna see is you're gonna see this big shiny white sheet right here. That's the masseter muscle, okay? Right there. Like this is the mouth, this is his cheek. So this is my mouth, this is my cheek. That's the masseter. That will be the masseter, okay? The masseter is going to attach at the angle and the ramus of the mandible and pull the mandible up, right? For chewing. So, you know a cranial nerve innervates that? 7? Trigeminal, yeah. You should probably know that. Okay? So that's the masseter. Then I actually skinned higher up, right here. So there's the masseter. And then I skinned higher up here. Do you know what muscle that's going to be? It's like up here. That's temporalis, okay? So again, it has this big white connective tissue sheet right here. Temporalis is right there. Masseter, temporalis. Those are the two muscles. Do you know what attachment the temporalis has? What two places it attaches to on the skull? The temporal bone and the zygomatic. The masseter will attach at the zygomatic.
The mandible?
With the mandible. There's something on the mandible that this is going to attach to.
Mandibular arch.
Mandibular arch. The condylar, but the condylar is where your joint is, right? You have something called the coronoid process. That big, like, spiky one. So it attaches to, it's going to insert at the coronoid process and pull the mandible up also. So when you get a really chewy piece of steak, right, and your temporal hurts, that's the bone that you're working. So what's it going to be innervated by? Trigeminal. So those are the things you guys want to know, okay? What cranial nerves are going to innervate these muscles as well, because he could totally ask you those questions. Then the base of the neck. The other thing I did was skin the rest of the neck down here. So you can actually see a couple of different muscles. What you want to know is you have the anterior belly of digastric right here. So this is actually the mandible right there and right there. So that's the anterior belly of digastric, and that's the other anterior belly of digastric. Mylohyoid is in the middle of that. Doubtful he'll ask you mylohyoid, but you should maybe know mylohyoid is right there. Okay, you guys know what digastric does? It's actually going to help you pull your jaw down. Okay, you should probably know if that is an innervation of a cranial nerve as well. Check your book. Sternocleidomastoid, what is its innervation? The accessory, that's right. So now that's where it's going to come in. He's going to ask you questions like that on the boyfriend model. Okay, so those are the 3 muscles that you want to see on the cat. I don't have another pin. I could pin the other one, but come and make sure you look at it and we can uncover the rest of the cats.